In today's video, we're taking a look at how to replace your refrigerator light or freezer light LED easy and simple. It's so easy, anyone could do everything that we use on the video. We're gonna leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot, thank you. So you woke up today, just like every other day. You went to open the fridge to get the day started, but you notice it's all darkness. So you say to yourself, let's do this again, and now you do it with your eyes open. And you notice it's still dark. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. 2 blocks away to the left, then another block to the right behind the building, but we got your back. The first thing that you want to do is verify that you have the correct house. Next, that you have the correct refrigerator, because the last thing you want is to fix the one that's not broken. And the most important thing, other than yourself, you want to have the correct bulb, either LED bulb or a regular refrigerator bulb. You can find this information in your barbecue paper, your owner's manual. You can also call the 1-800 number on the sticker of your refrigerator. You can find the information in the interwebs or even at your local hardware store. We'll also leave links on the description of the video. The first thing that we want to do is disconnect our refrigerator, because the last thing you want on a clear sunny day is to die. Once we've located the damaged bulb or bulb housing, we're ready to replace it. And on this particular refrigerator, we're going to use the bear grip method. We're going to cup the whole housing with our hand and making sure that with our fingers we only pull out the back part towards us, and then once that internal clip is released to remove the front clip, we're gonna push it back without inserting again the back part. Now that you gave that housing a 1-2 punch, now comes the fork in the road. So no matter if you have this particular refrigerator or a different one, the technique will be the same. You may have a LED light like this one where the whole housing is connected, or in your case it might just be a cover for the bulb. In that case, now you have access to the bulb and you can replace it. If you have an LED light like this one, which is enclosed, then we want to remove the whole thing. So we're going to go ahead and remove the cables. You can always throw a picture or remember with your beautiful strong mind where the cables go. Even though Watson cringed at that last comment, we know your brain is strong. If you have a bulb, in your case, you would unscrew it. Remember the ancient technique passed down generation to generation of lefty loosey, righty tighty. Now you've done it. You're one step closer to glory. We're gonna reverse engineer our way to fame. We're gonna start by clicking in the cables, or in your case, screwing in the bulb once again. If handling a bulb without housing, wearing some gloves is always a good idea, because sometimes the grease in your hands can diminish the life expectancy of it. Now that we connected the cables, before we go ahead and enclose it, we want to verify that everything is working correctly. We want to connect our refrigerator and verify that the light bulb is working. Now that we notice that everything is working correctly, we're ready to insert the housing. And we do this by clicking in the back part, inserting, pushing back, and then clicking the front part in by pushing it in towards the hole. So basically reverse engineering. And now you've done it. You brought light to the darkness. Now you can go back to the regular schedule of not opening your eyes when waking up. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.